Hi there! Today, let's check out the Sillbird Solar Robot Creation Kit. This little robot runs on solar power, which means no batteries are needed. What are we waiting for? Let's open the box. You can build 12 different types of robots, and even make your own design. First, we will assemble the robot's body, which includes the motor and some gears. Next, moving on to the robot's head, which contains the solar panel. And don't forget your stickers. This head and body assembly is reused between all robot designs. So let's test if it works. The good thing with solar energy is you only need the sun. But the bad thing is that nothing happens without it. Well, we will use a desk lamp instead. It is not as powerful as the sun, but it gets the job done. Now we can pick a design and build the complete robot. How about Buggy? Buggy in action. Hey! My flashlight can also be used to drive Buggy. Next, let's try to build Puppy. In summary, I had lots of fun building with this kit. The instructions are easy to follow, and seeing it in motion was satisfying. That's it for now, and more playing to come. Thank you.